For my first triangle, I used a triangle that was 2 inches, 3 inches, and 3.5 inches. And I used Huron's formula, which is the square root of s parenthesis s minus a parenthesis new parenthesis s minus b parenthesis and parenthesis new parenthesis s minus c parenthesis, where s is the semi-perimeter and a and b and c are all sides. So I calculated the perimeter in the corner, divided that by 2 to get 4.25 to get the semi-perimeter, and I plugged it in, solved the mathematics, and came down and found the square root to be approximately 2.994 units squared. For my next one, I decided to do the trig function. So you needed to know two sides and the included angle of C. And that formula is 1/2 AB sine C. So 1/2 times 10 times 7 times the sine of 25. So 5 times 7, the sine times 25. 35 times about 0.4226, which gave you approximately 14.8 units squared. My third one, I used the very basic formula, 1/2 base times height, and I said my height was 12 and my base was 20. So 1/2 times 12 times 20 is 6 times 20, which is 120 units squared. I created another picture that could be used where the height is this line and the base is this line. And again, you could use the formula 1/2 base times height. Of all three methods, I have to say that I was intrigued by the formula here because you had to do a lot of calculations. However, when it got down to the answer, I was thinking of the students that I teach. They would be confused. They wouldn't know what to put. They wouldn't know what to round. If I was teaching a high school geometry class, I would use the trig function because they are using trig functions in their triangles and geometry class throughout. However, if I was teaching basic mathematics, I would use the 1/2 base times height because that is what the children are provided, and it's the easiest formula for them to remember and use, and it leads into volume and surface area.